In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Cash App support. So I get a lot of questions coming through my YouTube channel about Cash App because I make a lot of Cash App videos. And some of those questions I just don't have the answers to, but it would be very easy for that person to contact Cash App support and get the exact answer that they need. So regardless of what your question is or what you're trying to do, you can tap the icon in the top right corner and then scroll down until you see support here on the bottom. Tap on that, and then you're gonna have a bunch of stuff that you can learn about. It'll tell you the information. At the bottom, you're gonna see chat and call. The chat support is really good and quick. If you have a question, you can send them whatever your question is and they'll get back to you usually within like 10 minutes. They'll provide you with all of the info you need, a specific answer to your question. Sometimes it will be a bot, then sometimes they'll bring in a real person if you have a more specific question. Like right here, you can see I'm talking to an advocate, which is a real person. And sometimes it's just a bot to get you started. But they'll realize quickly if they need a real person to answer your question. So just start your chat with them, ask whatever you want, and you'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Be sure to check out my channel where there's hundreds of Cash App videos. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.